destruction by COVID outbreak has just brought to light that just how dependent we are on energy. Recently, many northern states of India suffered long hours of public outage.
A very frenetic morning to everyone. As we are all acquainted about the deficit of coal in India, we have created a model energy saver based on the usage of electricity that will indirectly help us in the reduction of consumption of coal.
This particular model has three main objects, which are consisting of IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor and an Arduino board. Whenever the door is opened, the sensor senses it impulsively and the light is turned on and vice versa.
The project could be utilized on a very large scale and our huge Indian population can be benefited. It is a very future-proof project and could be further and further modified with artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is very important for us to understand that only these small steps will help us in for a better future.
Thank you.
Thank you.